Hello, this is a tutorial for how to use our content block element and when to use it. Okay, the first, if you have so many contents on a single page, example on our online demo landing page, and this is actually inserted so many contents and so many images and also the pictures and also those image carousel tab. It's lots of information has actually inserted the single page. In this situation, if I edit this page with the traditional Visual Composer, and there are lots of elements used and there are lots of customizations are included, and there are so many colors and so many elements are used, and in this page, if we don't have the content block element, and then this is gonna be so messy, and this is gonna be loading is so slow because of lots of elements used, and all of those element options is gonna affecting your page speeds. Okay, if I edit this page now, and now if I edit this, and we have used the first section and we have used the content block. Second section is just the simple our page builder elements, and also the content block, and there are actually lots of content blocks that are used, and that's saving our in this Visual Composer page speed. The first one is first useful practice is actually this. A second practice is if we want to use actually this row section, if I want to use this section on the other page, example or about page or the purchase page, and on any other you could have created custom page, you want to use this row layout, and then this time if you could have just create the content block with this row, and you could have saved this something, create your website today with the name, and after you have created the content block, you could have just called this. If I edit this content block, and the content block is right here, you could have just edit this. If you click edit, and then this is gonna be edit this block section. If you noticed here, this is a content block custom type is here, and you are editing this other pictures area. Okay, this other pictures area is right here. Okay, if I edit the list section on this section, because we have used the list element, and if I modify this section and after update this content block, this is gonna be applied on the front area right here. It's gonna be instantly updated this. If I use the other pictures in this other pictures block on other page, example about or something, if I go to the about us page, and if I want to insert this other pictures, and then this is so easy. Let's edit this section, and okay, in the bottom of this area we should click add the content block element, and we should check this content block name, because we have choose content blocks with the names. Okay, let's go to the select, and this one is other pictures. We should click the O with from keyboards, and if I click the O, this other pictures is right here. Okay, let's save this about us page, and after updated this page, we should have refresh about us page. Okay, if I see on the bottom of this about us page, and the other pictures is actually added right here. Okay, one important thing is if you edit this block on this section, and this content block element itself. If you remove the flip box or added another element, or if you have changed the title, and this content block information will be updated about us page and also the home page area. And also if you inserted another page and any other pages you have used, and then those sections gonna be updated with this. And this is a really time-saving element, and I suggest you to use if you have more content on the one single page, and also if you have repeated contents, something like our theme and also our milestone is, and if this milestone is actually inserted another page again, and then you should have used only one content block and then call it something like this, and then this is gonna be so easy and time saving. And the one important thing is on our page star. If you check the About Us page title area, this is comes from also the content block, and this is our page settings. If you edit in the page, there is our page meta settings is right here. You could have insert the top area, and also you can change the header layouts. And this section, this is a page title or a slider. We have chosen a page title per page. If I edit this, I've actually created this section with the content block. Okay, let's go back to edit. Okay, if I edit the row, and I have I set the custom min height to 500 pixel, and the content width is right here, and also if I go to the styling, I have applied the dark background with this background image. And the one important option is that if you check the extra section, and there is a parallax option with the overlay, and the other descriptions are here. And if you want to check how to work the overlay, you could read the description carefully. Okay, that's it. That's how content block element works.